Hey guys, what's up? This is Luis el Apóstol Feliz coming at you with just a brief video on my MAXX Action recycling truck. Now, it is not based on any one prototype. This is just a generic garbage truck, but it takes inspirations on a Mack Terra Pro garbage truck. So we're going to show you guys what you guys get for pretty affordably. So we're going to show you guys what you guys get. So up front, you do get your headlights. Now these do not work when you hit the headlights there. It is loud as brojimos. You do get your grill. No Mac logo or anything. No Bulldog. Like I said, this takes inspirations. This takes inspirations of a Mack truck, yet it's not licensed. Now, coming to the bottom, you guys can see your license plate. Coming to this side, you do have kind of a painted on reflector. And these doors are not realistic. On a real garbage truck, the door handle is supposed to be here. But that's okay. And the window, you can see, kind of slants down a little bit. But you do have your clearance lights up top. 1, 3, 4. 4 clearance lights up top, which do work. Really faint lights. You do have your hopper cover, your hopper right here, your compression body here, and it takes it to the hopper right here. Coming to this back here, you don't have any tail light print or any of that. This is supposed to be more of a this is supposed to be more like a targeted towards kids. This is not a model because it's not really based on anything in particular. But you can see in the bottom, you do have kind of like tail lights there. You do have your DOT striping there. Coming to this side, same thing. No DOT striping there, which is rather unfortunate. Now, when you look at this does not open, nor the arms work. And that's a little bit of a bummer. For $5, for pretty cheap. You do have your speaker there. It says rear on it. But what lacks in details makes up in a working part. Not a lot of room for trash. Not a lot of room for trash because obviously the friction motor is right here in the mid axle. All plastic with rubber treads with rubber tires. And the little hopper cover right here does not open up. So they have to perform some cost cutting measures. They have to go through some cost cutting measures so that they can make more. So let me show you guys how it works. Nice. Nice. So there you all have it. Like I said, short little video. Um, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that y'all never miss any of my future content. Peace!